Hey everyone, hope you guys doing good and having an amazing week. This week have started slow, but it's alright. It's alright. Just give me a minute. I'll be with you. I'm just gonna share the link of YouTube so everyone's on the same page. Okay, so grab the link. I grab the link and I share the link in the group. That's pretty much it. And I will let you know what we've been doing. Alright, if you're not following me on Twitter, that's a must. That's must you wanna do, because I update a lot and instantly there. So I've been sharing about APT. APT had most liquidation in last 4 hours, more than Bitcoin, like double of the Bitcoin. Right here you can see it, 5 million and 10.9 million, 5.4. So it's almost double because it blasted, and I had good size position APT. I've been updating for a while APT, so this is where I've updated, and updated before that, 4 hours before that. So just before it start, so APT was one of the first one that start recovering and very quick. And last night when I was watching it, it was holding very well. So I've added here because this was my zone where I wanted to add. I've shared this many times. Someone was saying I've shared a chart before this where it faked out and pulled back, and I said that's fine as long as it holds the zone. In Discord, we have a free Discord which you can join as well. The link is gonna be in description. There's one link you can join and find everything there: Discord, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, everything in one link. So yeah, other than that, I'm gonna share more stuff with you because there's so many dips, so many opportunities right now, and let's see how low the Bitcoin can go. It's playing games because we have S&P dropping, guys, and S&P dropping because it's sitting at very major level that I've seen like dozens of charts here that people are looking at this trend line thinking it already faked out once up here. It might do it again, but as long as it's holding 38.86, this low here, I think it's alright. Okay, as long as, because I'm not looking at very small picture, it's just playing with the bulls and bears. So this was, as long as you hold this, there is absolute chance that it can, as soon as it breaks this one, we can see rallies in the whole market, asset market. So it's gonna be stocks, crypto, everything is gonna move very well in my opinion. So this is what I'm personally waiting for right now. I'm not sure if I've shared the link. Just give me a second. I'm gonna read your comments as well. Alright, 1 second. I'm live. I just want everyone to be on the same page. Someone has already shared it. I have a great community inside there into it. Discord. I'm live. You know, if more people join, there's more question and it's gonna help everyone. So that's the actual goal, that trying to help everyone I can. Alright, I will just open the Facebook right there and share. Thing is, I can't share beforehand, so I have to share now when the live starts. I don't get a link beforehand, so I have to wait for the link to come, then I can share it. I don't know if there are probably other ways to do so. It's just I've just started doing lives again, like few days ago, not more than 2 days. But yeah, it's cool. It says excellent connection, guys. You probably have very clear. Are you still holding hook? Of course I am, because for me, I bought it at 2.7. I think it already bounced at $3, so it's only 2.64. So I'm down like not even 5%. So I'm not really concerned about it. It already gave 2 pumps. I didn't sell because for me, I'm looking at big picture. I'm zooming out right now. I've done this mistake in 2020 when, as soon as the January came, the start of the runs, the first move up, I sold out on my alts, and I had stop losses beforehand. So basically what happened is, in start of 2000, when I was buying in April, May, in March, COVID drops, what happened then is market was very low, there was low liquidity, so it was wicking. So I had stop losses, and it was keep taking my stop losses off, and then I stopped putting stop losses, which did very well still, because the market was super oversold. Anyone that thought the markets are dead, they already sold out, and the rest were looking to hold for bigger gains. I did more than 10x in ADA. I could have done more, because the reason I say that is it went to $3. The bull run, when it started, first moves came, everyone thought it's done, like there won't be anything else, like they are saying right now. I sold it in the parabolic moves like we're having now. So if you go APT had parabolic move, which everyone's thinking like this is probably done. So this kind of move. So I sold my BNB at $130. It was crazy move in BNB, because I was buying under $20. So I said that's very good return still. So I sold out very early into these kind of moves. I was selling and then selling to next move, but these are just the start. Now people don't get it. These are just start of the legs, because if you go, this is normal consolidation. There is no parabolic move. This is liquidation. Look at liquidation, 11 million in APT. People are getting destroyed. Those who are shorting here, they're getting destroyed. People do not understand how the market works. Market works on liquidity right now, and liquidity is building up so much. Everyone is trying to short the market. And yesterday, last 2 days, yesterday alone, Bitcoin was going down. Everyone is giving signal of short this market, like short it. And I'm not shorting it, because I do not see any kind of volume which indicates we are topping at the moment. There's nothing, absolutely nothing. I made a video on YouTube short, and I've uploaded on TikTok as well. So I start making from TikTok and then upload everywhere. I will show you in a second the one I'm talking about. YouTube short. So in this short I have mentioned, hey guys, a quick update on. So if you see, I mentioned that there is a liquidity sitting below this area, and I want market to take this low, which was the last low of right, this one. It's not taking it yet. It's keep coming close. Earlier it came as well, and now it's doing the same thing. So this one, rising wedge, everyone was, this is like a bearish pattern. I've been victim of this. That's why I know this. So what happened? People forget where the move is coming from. The move is very strong. So this alone is not gonna change the trend. One pattern. If the move is already, like, if the trend is already bearish, that's completely different. It was not. So a lot of people trapped in this and set stop losses up here, shorting here, and this move up came because of this. And now people are doing the same thing again. They are trying to short this market, but they don't understand how things work. I was really hoping this would have been very good setup. The reason I say that, it would have taken the stop losses. There is nothing, there's a gap after that. So taking this low would have been amazing, but it took many lows. I was showing this actual chart. So yeah, so when the market came here, there was a long wick here. Okay, what this does is, a lot of people that they learn trading on the normal typical videos, they learn about that when you see a 1 hour is like doji candle, like not doji, it's a pin bar. There's so many names. So it was looking very good. Anyone that was buying on this move up, or had stop losses here, and right now what people are doing, the bears, they are shorting this market. They think this is lower low, but they don't understand this is our actual low, and any move between this and this is just range. Just range. It's a noise. So this is, it took me, I've been doing this 7 years now, learning things. I watched dozens of courses, hundreds of videos. I had a diaries, like I used to write what I was learning, and I had 3-4 of them like just around. I don't do anything what he says there. I go against everything that I've learned there. It took me so long to get here, to avoid what I've learned, to forget what I've learned and go against it completely. And I start doing this when I start learning about smart money concept, how people are. And so basically the simple concept that I see it is, you want to know where the people are getting trapped. Once you know where the people are getting trapped, you just understand how smart money is, how market makers are moving this market. So that's why I know people are getting trapped because of this breaks, and I want more people to get trapped right here, break this, and then retest, and then from here it goes up. Most probably it doesn't have to be always going in my direction. It doesn't work that way. Okay, I can only say because I know there's no top formation, there's no no signs. Okay, if it was top, look what happened. DXY is dollar, guys. It's a worldwide reserve, and look what happened to this shit. So when something goes parabolic, you just know the top is done. So when this happens, the top is done. Market does not go sideways when the top is in. So right now Bitcoin is going sideways. It's just consolidating, getting liquidity above, just like APT did. APT got most liquid. APT is just starting, guys. It's just starting. Look at the chart. You don't see big parabolic moves. If you want to see big parabolic moves, I'll show you what they look like. Let's go to Shiba, for example. They look like this, guys. You can say APT is sitting right here on this area. It's just having this. So you want to see this kind of candles. These are parabolic FOMO rallies, which are this. Look at this candle size here. These moves are not parabolics. So hope you understand now. What I'm trying to say is that this is where I want to sell. I don't want to sell on small candles, small rallies, which goes to every other coin like this. FET is consolidating right now here. If it was top, it would have been already crashing, because if you go 4 hour, there's nothing that shows this had a parabolic move. There's nothing. It's just ranging and ranging and ranging, because it's building up liquidity here. Anyone that's trying to short this, I don't even know. I don't do future, so I don't even know if this have a future pair. I think it does, because it's listed in so many exchanges. It faked out this low. Anyone that was buying this candle move up had stop losses here, they are already out. There's more stop loss sitting here. So as long as it's hold this high low, this is what actual low is. So this and this. So anything that you see between this happening, this is just a noise, and the market is ranging. How many people do I have? I have 15 there. And how many watching on Facebook? Alright, someone is asking on Facebook, what about APT short now? Alright, you just know what most people are doing. They're trying to short the market. They don't understand. This is where you're getting trapped. You don't want to guess the top. Markets are just starting from the bottom. Most alts are already down. I've shared the other day in my video, 90%, 95, 94, 98, even 99. One of the good coins, like major coins, are dropped 95+%. And what else do you want? Okay, so that could be the bottom is in. I'll come to the coins. I just want to explain you where the market is sitting right now. Market is just consolidating, and the dips are to buy. Okay, this is what I did last night when the first move came down. I was buying, and alts are not looking like they're gonna drop too much. Look how the alts are holding. Otherwise, sorry guys, otherwise I would have crashed much more. Okay, you don't see much crash. Like look at this, 1%, 2%. Yes, this is down. This is just low liquid coin. Look at AVAX. Where's the crash? You had 1 day price action coming down. That's it, and it is taking these lows. All these lows have been taken. All these lows. Anyone that's setting tight stop loss buying this breakout, I was adding here on this breakout. Normally, if I was just trading normal trading, I would have had my stop loss here. Oh hey, when the breakout confirmed, I would have been taken out here. And this is what happens. And then when they see market going up, they chase it again. This is where the fuel comes. First people get trapped, and then they buy again. Anyways guys, I'm getting tired. 1 second. Alright, what else do we have? Okay, any question regarding Bitcoin? I still think there's nothing that changed in this rally. I'm still targeting up here at least. I've explained, if you have missed my videos, I've explained that what I'm looking at this. The reason I'm saying this, there's a lot more liquidity sitting above 25,000. That might be taken soon. I don't know when, and this can go 22 or slightly below, but so far there's nothing changed, guys. There's nothing. There's this move, then we have smaller move, there might be a spike, and then we have a bigger correction. Okay, this is what we can see, because everyone is waiting for a pullback. It might not happen here. The thing is, you need to see how strong the trend is. The strength is measured by when the breakout happens, how big the leg up is. So when the moves start getting smaller and smaller, you just know market needs a bigger pullback. So right now Bitcoin is trying to do that, but I think this is a major demand area. If the price comes here, even if it goes low here, it wouldn't drop much, because there's so much strength here, so much strength. Even whoever try to move this market, they will not let it come down too much, so they are holding it. People have so much money. Smart money does have billions of dollars, and Bitcoin only needs few million to move, because supply is very low in exchanges right now, and a lot of volume coming on Bitcoin. If you see here, the volume spikes are everywhere. Look at this. Binance got more volume spikes, so the volume spikes are everywhere. It was flat all day right here. You know, volume spiked when people are getting trapped here, and bulls and bears are fighting, and let's see who's gonna win this. And if this breaks up here, in my opinion, if this high breaks from here, this is gonna be very good. This is gonna be a sign of new leg up. You will see alts are coming up. So if we get this hold up and move up, this will most probably end up the correction. If it doesn't happen, doesn't break this high, it goes lower, then we have another area to look for is this. So that's why I said last night in Discord, is the best way is when the Bitcoin was dropping here, it was around here, this price. Even alts didn't drop after that, and this leg down. So I said just DCA, because you don't know how low the dip is gonna go. So DCA here and DCA in this area, and then if it drops further, just DCA. The thing is, you wanna plan it. Okay, without planning you can't do shit in this market. So that's why I've been planning myself since I've sold my Bitcoin 2021 May. I've did some trading when the market was dropping. So whenever the Bitcoin had a big drop or 20% or so from the top, I used to buy for a quick bounce, like few hour bounce, and then I get out. Because I had big chunk of 6 figures, so I could just put there, quickly take it. When it dropped to 30,000, I made $20,000 in one day. I bought it the day before, and when it gave a bounce, so the bounces were like this. When it gave a bounce, then it goes for consolidation here, and then next leg, as soon as it breaks, traps more longs, because people like to buy in high. It was in bear market, so I knew it. So when the strength came, I start getting out here. I start getting out, and then it was going down that way. So this is what been happening, and I've been trading. Yes, Luna gave me the biggest hit. It took 100k from my account. So, but again, it's part of the game. Shit happens. I knew the risk, and it's not something that is pushing me back. It's something that telling me, okay, you're gonna know how things are going, and that's why when Sol dropped, I did not put any money in Sol. Then I start buying when things got calm down around $11-12. So that's why I have Sol back. Not big one. I've just added on the way when it was moving. So yeah, overall it looks solid. Everything is looking fine, because overall, as long as this hold 21, because this was high here, and Sol did try to bounce 24, very nice bounce, got rejected, that's fine. So as long as 21 holds, it's all good for me. I'm not really concerned what happens. I'm just holding everything at the moment, because for me, I don't take money from crypto. I have my own eBay business that is just paying my bills and for my life. So for me, I want to grow this, compound and keep growing to next 7 figures. That's my next bull run goal. Alright, let me just read some comments. Alright, so I have 9:30 of you watching. Alright, just give me a second. I will I don't know why it's so hard talking on this live non-stop. I start getting headache. Alright guys, let's look at some coins. Keep dropping your coins. Make sure one per person, because it's gonna be too much, and I can't do it. I can't do too many coins. Alright, so first one we had Hook. Let's look at Hook. I shared on Twitter about Hook. That's a nasty candle rejection. So the Hook, when it start breaking up here, I've shared this, the first initial break, then it came down, so it was looking just fine. And as I said, I haven't used stop losses in mind, so I just set a stop loss, like when it was breaking up here, I said this could be a good stop loss as a sign. And yeah, and then it goes up, rejects, because when BTC drops, boom, and now it's holding a lot of liquidity up here, and this is why you get these kind of spikes. And then base tried to drop again, because it was a perfect setup right here, supply zone right here, so it's perfect entry for base. And I think there are a lot of volume coming here. Bulls are trying to hold this, and there's a chance we can see this keep moving up, because it's a very clear sky coin. Like, it had a very good rejection already. Those who wanted to sell, panic sell. And if you see today's candle, already broke yesterday low, which is very good. All right, so this was yesterday low right here, which got broken, or all the way around. Maybe this one, let me check. Yeah, this is the one. So this candle right here broke the yesterday low, which is good, because bears try to take setups like this when the candle breaks right this one. And this is where I've added. When I saw this yesterday, I've added some here. I was willing to add more if it comes further down. So yeah, I'm still holding, and I still think if it goes up, there's nothing happened in this. If you zoom out, what happened? Nothing in this chart so far. So if it does like APT, is gonna be amazing for me. So this is what I'm kind of looking, big risk and reward. When it comes to Magic, there's another coin looks similar. It's pulling back, and it's probably a very good opportunity, because it broke two lows yesterday and day before yesterday, took liquidity from this. Because the reason I'm saying like this, liquidity, because I'm bullish on the market at the moment. So if I was bearish, that's a completely different story. So it's at the zone right now, a very nice zone, and from here it could spend more time here, fake out, do some things. As long as the market is fine, Bitcoin is holding, we can see this rising. There's a high chance. I don't know about the project, I'm just looking at technicals, and yeah, let's see what happens. We have Magic, Hook. There's another one looks very similar, is LDO, I think, and that's breaking as well. It was trying to break the other day. I did slightly add it here, because I had already a bag of this from down here. So if you see, I was marking here, so but I'm adding, and right now it's spiked. A lot of coins spiking for some reason, and then they're getting rejected. But I think, yeah, they're gonna hold. People are getting second chance. People that are getting shaked out, and Bitcoin is looking very nice, very juicy. When the video started, it was struggling right here. Now it's picking up. Volume picked up very well in Bitcoin as well. People are getting liquidated nicely left and right. I've already explained about Hook. The thing is, I don't know the targets. Hook is on new all-time highs, guys. Hook does not have any chart above it, so I don't know about targets. So Hook, when it's gonna go break $3.1 again, okay, it's gonna go up. I don't know how far, because like APT, I don't know how far. These kind of coins, wait when the crazy move comes, start taking profit. Okay, when you happy take profit with these kind of coins, I don't know. And look at this shit. Like, I was buying this when they was like, when it was breaking initially. Okay, when it started breaking initially, because I really liked how liquidity was up in these highs. First it took this high up here with this wick, comes down, okay, well, traps bulls, right, comes down, shakes them, and then goes up. The bears get trapped, they tried to short this, and now we're having a lot of volume. And I added this small last night as well on this. When I see in bull market sharp candles down, means there is a good opportunity to buy. So it's other way around when it comes to bull. So when you see in bear market bullish candle strong, you want to sell into those. So this is what I used to think this is against why you want to buy a strong candle, but it is how it works, because smart money gets good size of opportunity there, so they can fill up their bags. So ING is looking juicy, very nice. I've added initially here on this first breakout, and then I've added last night, so now I'm riding this. Let's see how it goes. Not everything that I have moons. Alright, just don't think that I am the best or anything like that. Doesn't mean that if I have a coin it will moon. There's many of them, they are still not doing much. So not all the coins are the same. Alright. Ape broke on 6? No way. Where is Ape? Ape. Right here. Wow. I was saying on Twitter yesterday that because Ape was trying to break this flag here, and then it failed because BTC started playing volatile games. So when BTC started going volatile, and it did that, and now I was adding I did not add Ape. I don't know why, but as far as I remember, I added like 10-15 tokens. I was short on funds because I'm fully invested. But yeah, if I knew this, I've sold some APT, small amount, so I might have added something else, but no, I'm fine. I'm have a big position of Ape, so I'm absolutely fine not adding Ape. I have a big position staked because I have a Mutant Ape. If you see my Twitter, I hold this Ape. I pay 21,000 for this, so I hold this. I'm probably gonna get blue tick soon. It's under review right now, probably next day or two. Hopefully they don't come with some random shit for me. But yeah, I really like 3 days 4 days of weak rejection, then you get spike. This is very good sign when it comes to a coin you holding, and this is very strong. I'm looking at $7.5 to $8 next target for this. Doesn't mean it's gonna go there. If you're buying this, you have very big stop loss of 5.2, so like 15-20% stop loss. So this could be a very good setup if you want to buy it. That's 15% stop loss, not too bad. But what is the upside? So let's say 7.5. I'm 22, not even that great risk and reward, but this is the first target that I'm looking at, $8 right here. There's a big unlock coming in March for this, but that's far. So this is my first target, but it doesn't mean I'm gonna sell. I want to see how sharply goes there, but there's a big room after this, big room to play. So I'm not sure if I want to sell my Ape though, because there's a huge community around it, very loyal community around it. So I really doubt that I will sell Ape, because I can stake it and make more money. Every day they're giving 0.5%. That's very juicy reward. Other than that, okay, let's see. OP is another one. This is breaking into all-time high, guys, and this is looking juicy, guys. Very nice chart. The reason I like this chart, I'll tell you why, is there's so many rejection, so much liquidity sitting up there, so much liquidity. Just like APT, people are shorting this shit. There's a liquidity above here because people thinking this is a resistance fake out, and people that were buying breakout, they're shaken, they got out. I did not. I added more yesterday, I think, last night. The thing is, I don't remember what I have added, because I know for sure that I have this. But yeah, so it had a fake out here, which I've added a little bit there. Yes, but I'm initially in this move from low, say, before it started. When it started breaking this high, probably around here or somewhere, but I'm in this for already. But yeah, I really like this chart, and I'm looking forward for this to keep going crazy up, and then I'm gonna sell everything to parabolic move, probably when BTC gets to 25ish or something. But yeah, I'm really liking this. This is another coin which is Primal. Someone shared this with me. New token, kind of risky, but if this turns back, I'm not sure if they have future pay, but future pay tokens do better because people can short that. So I'm not sure how this is gonna go, but this is, you can say, medium risk, not, maybe you can say high risk high reward thing with this. That's what I'm gonna say. I don't want to say low risk because I don't want to get a problem later on. So we have Hook. I'm just trying to share a very good opportunities with you guys right now. It's a good try this. Guys, if I miss your token, it doesn't mean that I want to miss it. I just missed it because I don't know, I skipped it, your comment. TRIAS. Oh, right here. Alright, this is looking good. I like this chart. The reason I like this chart, it had 2 rejections here and now it's consolidating right here and took the lows. You know, these kind of charts are very nice charts when you know people that were buying up here, and 4 days of liquid consolidation, you get this wick faking out everything. But yeah, if you want to wait for confirmation, wait for some kind of, you know, confirmation that shows there is a bull strength. Right now it picked up very good volume right here and then it's pulling back. Very nice one. If you know the project, if you want to get in this could be a nice one. I don't know how the history is of this chart is, but it's looking nice. It's just breaking into the, you can say, bull run. But yeah, I like this chart. So I'll just add in my watch list for now. I don't know how the projects are, guys. Shit happens, like Luna shit happens to FFT. Things happen. I don't have control over it. I'm looking at the chart. It's looking nice. That's all I can say. That's all I can say about these. IOTX. IOTX used to be amazing back in the days, and now it's bad because there's so many other coins right now. USDT. Oh, I don't even know. No. It's IOTA. IOTX is different. IOTX is the reason I don't use trend run, guys. The only reason I'm doing is because many people look at these, and which will tell me where people looking. A lot of time I just buy here. I don't wait for this break because I see the trend. If the trend is already changing, for example, right now it faked out the high. So this is daily trend pullback. I want this to be broken. So if this gets broken close, this will eventually break. Okay, so this is how it works. If this got rejected now, so wait for this break, close, a nice volume picking up, and then you can get in. This will eventually break when the trend is changed on a high. That thing is eventually gonna break. Not 80% of the time. I'm not gonna say 100 because nothing is 100% in trading. So LDO. I think I've already shared about LDO. Let me see where LDO is. Guys, if you're just joining, make sure you watch the start. I have shared about Bitcoin, very important key points which you don't want to miss. Alright, when it comes to Bitcoin. Alright, this one is very tricky. Alright, I'm looking at Luna, but that's fine. This is looking very alright as well, Luna, because people shorting this. You need to understand, this is a dead project, fine, but people are shorting this shit, and this can liquidate people and go high. There's a lot of highs up here, means there's a lot of stop losses there. Alright, I don't know what was the coin he's asked. LDO. I can't find LDO. I think I talked about LDO. Yeah, LDO is looking alright. It needs to break that high. It's consolidating. I've shared that I shared every day about LDO. LDO faked out last night, but I think it's fine. A lot of volume picking up in this coin. I don't know what's going on behind this, who's accumulating it, but I have a bag of LDO, so I'm gonna ride this. If it goes up, there's some activity going on. I don't know fundamentally what the fuck is going on with this, because I do not follow fundamentals a lot, because volume and price action tells me everything. The only reason the market will go up, this spike here, buying spike, probably a news event or something. Now it's trying to it faked out this high up here. It rejected yesterday. I don't know what it wants to do. People are probably thinking this is a resistance. Those who are buying here, sell here. But I think there's a chance it can break. Okay, because this volume is not a joke. Alright, we had no volume before. Suddenly huge volume spikes. We'll see what happens in the coming time. LPT. Alright, another beast is waking up. Nice. LPT had this very nice, and it was holding it. It had daily high low and then daily high, and this was a buy here. When it broke this, you need to understand what happens here. So all these people this time, right, this 1 second, when it broke this low, trap people, and then it goes up. So this was a sign of buying. It breaks, retest, and then if I knew it, I would have probably added here, because when I saw it's already breaking up and closed daily, I probably added here. But yeah, I'm not gonna chase this now. So this is something that I have. There's hundreds of coins, thousands of them that you can get into. Why chase someone? Ocean right here. I was looking at it. Amazing chart again. Ocean is amazing chart. I am holding Ocean myself. I've been buying a lot Ocean. I was buying here as well, and I had a Ocean bag before. I don't know, from here, I don't know where, but I was buying Ocean right here when this was breaking, right here when this candle confirmed, right here, this one, this candle, right, close above here, I was buying. I was adding Ocean, so I'm up in Ocean very nicely. Ocean is looking good. Ocean is breaking this, and I think the next move up probably into 0.5 or 0.6. I don't know how high it can go. The thing is, I've been explaining to you guys, I will sell to parabolic moves. I don't know when they're gonna come. Right now there's no parabolic move. This is consolidating. This is where I added, and I've shared many times Ocean in my videos and normal Discord. And this Ocean low was very good, and this is gave another opportunity, because when you have good move like this and you have a market faking out the lows, means we are strong upside. Market is trying to attract bears here, sellers, and then it's going up. Now it's breaking the high low on 4 hour. That's not very nice, but again, it wouldn't matter if you look at big picture. It's nicely going up. There's nothing changed. This is a order block. 0.3 is nice zone. No, 0.31 for Ocean. Other than that, yeah, I'm still looking for upside. I'm not putting too much concern on the candles and all that, because I know we are just rising from the bottom. So don't overthink it. Ape, I've already shared Ape. Dusk, I think I saw Dusk the other day. Dusk, yeah, I shared. I'm not sure. I think I have Dusk. I need to check. Let me check. No, I did not add Dusk. I shared someone. I remember I drew this chart for someone, and I said when this confirms this high right here, because this was high low on weekly, on daily. Let me just remove this. So when the market does this one leg and then high low, and then it breaks up, that's confirmed a uptrend, which it did right here. And then from here, I never added it, shit, but it was very good looking chart. Right now it's moving up, and there's more potential to come, and this, because this is just the start of the move. If you're holding it, up to you. If you know the project things, I don't know, so I'm not doing anything with this. I probably said this is wiki and all that. I don't know. I don't have much to say for Dusk, but yeah, FTM, hard to stakes. Okay, I don't wanna open my Apolar. Let me see how does this gonna come. Apestake.io. Okay, so I need to unlock my wallet anyway. So you go in app.apestake.io. Make sure you go to this website. It's official app. So it's gonna be app.apestake.io. Then connect your wallet and you can stake. One thing you need to understand. So my ROI, because I have a mutant ape NFT, is going to be 0.5% a day. So it's gonna be 200 days ROI. For you, it's going to be 400 if you're just taking coins. So that's the difference here. In 200 days I will get my money back, like basically I'll double my money coins in 200 days. So this is the difference with holding an NFT and without holding an NFT. So yeah, I've already shared that. FTM is juicy looking, strong coin, recovered very well last night. I've been adding a lot of FTM because I really like this chart. I shared this chart on Twitter when it was 0.3 some. Yeah, it was around here when it was breaking 0.36 I think. So I was sharing about high. So the first leg, high low, high. Now it's consolidating before a shot. If you go back in the past, this is very common chart. As soon as we have a high low, high, market consolidates before a leg up. I can show you Ethereum. which Ethereum did. That I remember because I was watching a Chris Dan video. Let me see what Ethereum did when it broke out from the bear market. Oh, it was a BTC chart or which one? I don't know. Oh, it was not after a break. Yeah, something like this. So it broke out. First we have a big move up, consolidates, breaks out, and then consolidates. For after that, when the market moves, it doesn't stop. It just doesn't stop. So I'm just giving you an example. This is what happens usually. FTM, Sol, Gala. I've already shared about Sol. I think I did. I look at Gala because I'm holding Gala. I've been talking about Gala a lot. Gala is doing the same thing. It's just consolidating here, and I think there will be eventually a move in Gala, unexpected move that no one is expecting. A lot of shorts going on in Gala. Look, I've been monitoring Gala and our Discord members for a while. Okay, for last week plus. Someone, as soon as it goes up, trying to break out, someone is dropping Gala to go up. There could be manipulation of they're trying to accumulate more Gala. I don't know what it is, but something is going. If it was top of the market, I would understand. Okay, someone's trying to sell because they want to book profit. But there's something going on with Gala. I don't know what it is. They are growing. They are doing so much stuff at the back. But Gala is looking interesting, guys. I don't know what else to say, but if it's gonna break, it's gonna be explosive break. And I was initially targeting this if this was keep going from here, but after this consolidation here, more than a week, I want to look for bigger move here as if it breaks. So Gala is interesting one. I don't know what else to say about this. If you know the project, is one of the biggest project when it comes to crypto gaming. They have a lot of games here in Gala. Because of the Shanghai ETH will unlock and mostly people will stake their ETH. That's why LDO is getting. Oh yeah. Crypto Mechanic did tell me about why LDO is the one. Yeah, so there's a high chance. DYDX is doing very good as well. I have DYDX in my bag. I was just taking is one of the top earners in my portfolio and looking very juicy. The same thing like any other coin, guys. They are changing the trend. So it did this. Okay, it did confirm the high. I've been adding a lot of coins when it confirms the high, and look what it is. 3 days move up and take this. Yesterday candle takes all the lows, traps people, takes their stop losses right here, 1, 2 and third day. So this is very juicy candle that took everyone out. And because it was what I did yesterday is I was looking the coins that lost most of the percentage basis. So this had a big percentage loss, so I've added this right here. Wait, I'm getting tired of talking so much. Alright, give me a second break, guys. Just bear with me. DYDX is just starting this move. I'm bullish on this right now. Bullish means is in bullish trend right now. As long as the trend is bullish, I'm bullish. I don't even talk about ADA. ADA is just not doing anything. There will be a time when ADA will start moving. Alright, this happens always. You get unexpected moves. Where's ADA? ADA is looking very juicy, guys. Very juicy. I really like. I mean, it is faking out, but again, it already confirmed a high. This is just a pullback. As long as it holds this area, it's all fine. 0.32 is the high or low, so it can pull back and then go up stronger and target this high at first, initially 4.3, and yeah, that's pretty much it with this. So this high first target, and then you can see further. It all depends. Look at this. You have huge move potential. This is nothing what happened so far. I remember saying that I will come to 0.4 to 0.5. not as 0.25. That was very low. I did not buy the bottom, guys. I was buying here 0.3. So yeah, you don't always get the bottom. Fill my pockets. Oh boy, Phil is looking juicy. Phil already confirmed the trend, uptrend when it broke this. I remember when I was sharing on Twitter that Phil is looking very nice. What Phil did is that everyone that was buying here initial this fake out. There was a 1 hour order block here. So everyone that was buying this low had stop losses here, which when I shared this zone, probably a lot of people, those who bought it, stop loss been taken out, and then here it goes nicely. Phil is looking very juicy and nice in my opinion. I've added Phil last night, I remember I did. So in 4 hour it's a very clear move. You have a mini high move base here, and then so 1 hour support was here, which you can't see on 4 hour, but it came to 4 hour order block, wicked it, and then nicely moves up. So it's very nice looking chart. I mean, it's not too late still. If you want to buy it, set stop loss somewhere here and then should be fine. I think market is looking strong right now. In a day or two you'll see moves. Everyone is afraid of FOMC, but still there's a week. Crypto week is a lot. It's almost time. I still hold Gala. Nice. Bro, want to learn about volume based strategy on different video, but I don't look. Volume based is very simple, guys. Volume green or red does not matter. It's not about green or red. A lot of people see it's only green or red because how the candle is closed. Volume, where the volume spiked, is it on the pullback? If the volume is spiking, it's a bullish market, means that could be the low of that dip. Okay, that's one thing. If the volume is spiking on the move up, very high volume spiking, that could be the temporary top or permanent top. It all depends how the move came. It was a parabolic move, that could be a top, or there could be short-term top, then market comes down, pullbacks and goes sideways. I gotta go, guys. I'm so feeling tired right now. I went out for shopping and stuff. I just came back. Phil weekly chart, give a look. Alright, Phil weekly chart. Let me see. Bro, don't even talk about this. It's looking so good. Look at this. Oh my god. Give me 10x, 20x, 30x. Shit. $5 right now. All-time high is $235. Damn, there's so much to make. This is why I'm not really focused. I'm not bothered about these small pullbacks, guys. This is what I've been saying. S-Fund, I have S-Fund. I was buying at the last month at the bottom. Alright, Binance is removing pairs, guys. Is moving key. Okay, so it's removing some pairs. Nothing special that I hold. Atom BRS, so nothing special. But those will be good to buy and dip. S1 weekly looks amazing. Very nice S1. That spike is good that it had yesterday. So yeah, I hold S1. S1 is just breaking up to a higher high right here. Confirmed a higher high. It's very nice looking chart. But the thing is, it's gonna go very well when there's a gaming, gaming run. Like everyone's talking about, the games are trending. When the games are trending, you will see this will go up as well. But right now, it's not going up much. Eventually. CLZ, I think I have CLZ. It is doing the same thing. It tried to break to the high, failed, but if it holds this low, you're right, it can still go up. Even if it breaks this high, it still go up. But the thing is, CLZ had World Cup hype already. it might take its time. So yeah, have small position, not big one. So I have first target right up here. I think I shared this chart on Twitter already when it was breaking up. Bears are still trying to push the market down. Bears are not giving up. That's fun, guys. Thank you for today, and have a great day. I didn't even check if what was the YouTube comments. Primal Madnet on 10 February. What's your thought? Oh, that's nice. So Primal Madnet, which means there's a chance, there's a good chance if you buy a dip you can still make money, but there's still 15 days, 2 weeks time, guys. So if there's a news supporting the Primal, then I'm more bullish on this, because I think the next leg could be big, because people that are getting bearish on this. But yeah, it's looking decent. So I didn't know about the news. You trading future trading? No, Imran, I do not trade futures. CSZ already father, I've done that. But that's pretty much it, guys, for today, and have a great day. I'll see you guys in next video. Do share this videos if you know anyone that's gonna get help, and do join Discord, Twitter. They're all free. The link is gonna be in description.